Well, this is a revolting development. I was working here late yesterday afternoon and the old 3300 combine started listing to port. So I brought it up here on the level. I don't know what happened to this tire, but anyway, it brought things to a screeching halt. Now the good news is I actually have a spare. I have a couple of spares. Same size tire, 16.926. This one is kind of weather checked, but otherwise I think it's all right. Anyway, it's what I got. And this is actually off of an old John Deere 45 combine. And the wheel looks like it has a little different offset, but I think it'll work on here. I hope it'll work on here. Well, we'll know shortly. I'll get my blocks and jacks out here and get this thing jacked up, see if I can get this old tire off. I've got the spare tire on the combine. I've driven it around a little bit. It seems good. The tire does sit in about 6 inches farther than the other one, but it doesn't interfere with anything, so I guess it'll be okay. I'm definitely not thinking that this is a permanent solution. But if it gets me through the next week, I'll have an entire year to come up with something better. So, yeah, this tire is pretty weather checked, and the wheel is heavier, especially where it bolts onto the hub here. It's been reinforced. It's quite a bit thicker. I imagine there's a reason they did that, but anyway, this one gets me through the next week. We'll be good, so I guess we'll carry on.